Jan 2008, Core 2, question 9, the last question. It's done quite badly by my lot. Maybe just running out of time. But we've got a trig. We haven't had any trig up to now, so we spy immediately that sine squared there. And of course we know that sine squared is the same as 1 minus cos squared. And so that's really got to come into this at some stage. That's probably mark 1. And we're trying to sort out this whole equation here. So I don't like this thing down the bottom here. Let's multiply it up the top, shall we? So we're going to get 3 cos theta times by cos theta take away 2. And on the top here, what have I got now? I've got 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus cos squared theta. Well, what should we do? Should we stick it all on one side? There's other ways of doing this, but let's put it all on this one side here. Let's multiply it out first. So we've got 3 cos squared theta minus 6 cos theta, and I'm going to add that to both sides, plus another cos theta, and I'm going to take that 4 off both sides. Minus 4 equals 0. What does that give us altogether then? So I've got cos squared plus another cos squared. I've got 4 cos squared thetas minus 6 cos thetas minus 4. I suppose we were expecting a quadratic as it was the end of the paper. Let's divide by 2 to make it a bit simpler. I've got 2 cos squared thetas minus 3 cos thetas take away 2. And now we're going to have to factorize. Well, of course, you could use your calculators if you weren't able to do this. So we got 2 cos theta and cos theta here. We need 2 numbers to times together to give 2. It's going to have to be 2 and 1. This is going to be the minus 1, and this is going to be the plus 1. 2 answers. Answer 1 is that cos theta equals 2. Cos theta equals 2. The highest that could ever be is 1, so that one's not possible. Or what about this one? 2 cos theta plus 1 is 0. Add 1. Take away 1 and divide by 2 tells me cos theta equals minus a half, just like we were asked to show there. Now the second part doesn't involve us doing much of that again. It just says, look at the difference. Look, this now says 3x where that said theta. This 3x where that said theta. This says 3x where that said theta. So the answer to this isn't cos theta equals minus a half. It's the cos of 3x equals minus a half. And all we've got to do for this is do the inverse cos of that. Well, the inverse cos of minus a half is, of course, 120. And you can get the next answer by doing, for a cos, 360 minus answer. And that gives me 240. I could get another answer by doing 360 more than that. That gets me 480. I could even get another answer by doing 360 more than that. That would be 600. And now I want to find out what x is. So I'm going to divide each of them by 3. That one's 40. That one divided by 3 is 80. This one divided by 3 is 160. And this one divided by 3, well, that's 200. That's too big. So I've just got those 3 answers there. And it's all done. You did all the hard work in the first section. The second section was just to finish it off. Mark scheme. And final bit of the mark scheme, 40, 80, and 160.